Game na ba tayo? Game na? Okay. So, good afternoon everyone. This is Health Chef Anne Balinit. I'm going to do a ovenless baked red velvet cake. But this time, it's going to be a different cake. Why? Because I'm not gonna bake it sa oven. I'm just gonna use Saladmaster. This is a 4 parts roaster pan. As you can see, we have yung cake mix. Pwede naman tayo gumawa from scratch. Pero for now, this is surprise cooking show. So what we have is itong cake mix na to, yung Maya cake na red velvet. Uy, bigla sa ba promote, no? Sana all, pakanamin. Nag-remote kita. Bigyan namin. Okay, so sabi dito, this is a life-changing cake, madam. Because we're not going to put sugar. We're not going to put oil. Sabi, it requires 1/3 cup of oil daw and then 3/4 cup of butter. Would you be amazed that I'm not going to put any butter or oil this time? Okay. And I'm just gonna put a health-boosting ingredient. Ano yun? Carrot, banana, and apple. And you won't notice it in the cake. You won't notice it. Minsan ang palaya pa nga hindi nila ng mga light filters. So again, we're not going to use oven. Meron kayong mga kasirola, basta any stovetop cookers po na Saladmaster, pwede po ito. Okay, pwedeng induction, pwedeng portable stove, pwedeng gas. So right now, ang ginawa na namin is, din-grease ko lang ng konting butter. Okay, dito tayo mag-bake it. So, iinit ko lang siya na, ano lang po, matter of 30 seconds. Okay? So, while waiting for it, magpatayin mo na lang after 30 seconds naman. Igagayatin na natin yung ating video. So, we need the Saladmaster machine and I'm going to use only foam number 1. You wanna get this for free? So, I'm just gonna shred the carrots. Okay? So, parang cake na to, yung red velvet cake, no, it's a hybrid cake kasi it has carrot, banana, and apple. Pero it's a chocolate red velvet cake. So, ang gagawin ko natin, shred the
Kita okay na. Dita.
shred the carrots. Magtitira ako ng ibang carrots dito kasi we are going to decorate the cake later with carrots. Okay? Mamaya sa frosting natin, sasama ko yung carrots na yan. Now, if you want to juice the apple, this will serve as your water. Okay, go number 1. You're still shredding the apple at the same time. The juices of the apple will serve as water. Perfect. I didn't put oil there. Okay. Amazing po ba? And then, we're going to mash the banana using our number 1. And we have 2 bananas. This is very healthy again. Ano yung mga vitamins and minerals na binibigay natin sa vegetables nito? Parang ito, it's very healthy. The potassium. The apple naman, an apple a day keeps the blood away. The carrot naman is good for beta-carotene. So is this cake healthy? It's very healthy. So I'm mashing the cake. So kung may baby ka na, engineer Loida and engineer Joseph, baby food. Okay? This is how we mash the mashed potato or no. Okay, next step natin is we have raisins. Meron pa ba? Okay. Ako, gusto ko may raisins, may nuts. Wala lang ako nuts, pero sarap nito kung may walnuts. Next step natin is we're going to lay dito kasi sometimes there's a good and bad egg. So how to identify if it's good and bad, isa-isahin mo siyang ganyan eh. 1.
Talameti tama dun.
Pwede po siya lagyan. So, I added the 3 eggs there.
Dalawang
All
metro
good
kay Racing.
eggs. Our next step po natin is we're going to add the cake mixture. Pwede po pakigupit at lalagay natin dito. I'm going to mix it. Do you want to mix this? Do you want to mix this? There you go. Sis mo si Joseph. Sa wilyo na yan, Joseph.
Here's
Natin dito para hindi ka na mag-add ng oil. Okay? Kasi you don't need the 1/3 cup of oil, 1/2 cup. Hindi po, ang Kasi i-juice mo rin naman yung mga kain. So ito, huwag na. Saktong nag-juice na yun. So, double purpose. Then, we're gonna add the cake mix. Sige, buhos mo kuya habang i-mix. Again, walang water. Tingnan natin kung ito po ba ay liquefied. Liquefied naman, di ba? Sa apple, yung juice ng apple tsaka carrots. Nag-release po kasi ng juice. Kaya yung salad na mamaya masarap kasi nirelease din yung juice ng carrots. Mix it. Any cake mix. Pwede po yung pineapple upside down cake, chocolate cake, yellow cake, kung ano gusto yung cake. Lagyan nyo na lang ng apple. Lagyan nyo na lang ng squeeze of lemon kung yellow cake. Gusto mo lang may lemon flavor. Yung iba po naglalagay ng ampalaya. Yung balat lang ng ampalaya, iyaan sa machine. Hayaan nyo, marami pa po kayong cooking session na nalaman sa akin every time I come here. There's always new recipe, madam. Like kahapon, ano ba yung natutunan nyo, madam?
Stir-fried vegetables and then
This is the stir-fried Mongolian barbecue,
brown
right?
onion barbecue.
So, very easy lang. 10 minutes lang yung Mongolian barbecue. The pancit is 7 minutes. So, this one, nakalagay sa kanya in 9 minutes. Okay. So, if this, kunwari ang cake na to, na 35 minutes, let's bake it. Hopefully, this cake will be baked for 27 minutes. Yan. Wala akong parchment eh. Maganda kapag may parchment paper. Nilalagyan ko ng parchment para hindi hindi pero ganun pa man. Mix mo, lagyan mo. Lalagay ko ng parchment paper ko. At the bottom. Para hindi ka mahirapan mag-flip ng cake. Pero wala tayong parchment, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. At lalagay na natin yung cake six. Nakita nyo? No water, no oil. Amazing! Okay, so next natin, kuya ko, ano mo, bubuhos na natin dito. Okay. So this will be your bakeware na, itong cookware na to. Yan na yung oven mo rin. Container na, oven na, wow. All in one, you don't need an oven. Amazing. Right? Amazing. So, kahit anong cake kung anong gusto mo, kung anong bet mo na cake, yung meron tayo yung super moist chocolate cake, white cake. Pag gusto nyo ng pineapple upside down cake, hindi po kayo ng video sa akin, you can request, you can message. Sige, gusto ko. Okay. Ang easy lang ng pineapple upside down cake. Kulipatan, so, ang titignan natin mamaya, mabe-bake ba to? Guys, this 316 titanium cookware, no? Kaya niya po, equally distributed yung heat. Sabi ko nga, pressure cooker din to. So, mamaya, abangan natin, mag-bake na to. Sayang yung ano. Sige po. Kasi kami mga babae, kuya, lahat kami talaga to the last. Sinusunipin. Sayang eh. Simutin natin to the max. Kasi ang dami pa naman siya. Magbebake ka na sa mister mo, Sisi! Sisi, yung ano, pakitaan mo ng gilas, kaya mo mag-bake na. Sa Christmas, ganyan na lang red velvet cake gawin mo. Tapos yung frosting is cream cheese and top it with carrots. Okay, this is malinis naman. Okay, settings natin. Do we use high fire or medium to low lang? Kung na-memorize nyo talaga. High fire ba yung Saladmaster or matipid tayo? Medium to low? Medium to low. Very good class. Natututo talaga sila. Very good. So tayo actually medium to low. Actually low na. Low na. So far, is set it for 27 minutes. Pag hindi pa rin po, test, add ka lang ng 7 minutes, 35 minutes. Okay? Just covering pag open kasi masisira yung cooking ano yan. Okay. So it's already 11:13 p.m. So just add 37 minutes. Ano yan? Actually, ito po celebratory cake ko din. Ganito na ho. Ito na lang yung lagi kong ginagawa. Tapos yung mga clients ko, ginagaya na lang nila. Diba? Social. Healthy po? Healthy po ba yung cake? Beta carotene. It will boost your immune system. Ayan ang masarap. No oil, no water, no sugar. Next is our chopped nuts.
Social sa diba?
Pwede pong walnuts, pwedeng cashews, pwedeng pistachios, pwedeng peanut, pwedeng pecan. Okay. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Pwede pang regalo, bili ka na lang ng box. Yan ang regalo mo. Homemade is cooking with love. Feels na feels nila yung ano. Guys, we're ready. We're done. And this is our ovenless banana apple carrot cake na ready. Okay? Cute. Ovenless. Saladmaster cake. How's the cake? Ovenless baked cake without water, sugar, and oil.
Sarap niya talaga.
Yes. Lutong Saladmaster. Ano po ulit?
It is super delicious. Masarap. I can't wait to
Bake your own.
bake my own
Yeah. Ovenless cake.
version. Yeah,
Oo.
ovenless.
Yeah. Thank you po. Kumusta po yung cake, sir?
Wait, chef. Wait.
Super moist, healthy. Saladmaster lovers, today we would like to welcome and congratulate our newest member of our Saladmaster family who invested Master Chef today. Congratulations to Joseph Adobo. Welcome to Saladmaster. Okay. So let me just interview you, sir. Bakit po natin napasok sa Saladmaster? Bakit kayo nag-decide po mag-invest?
First, pang lifetime na kasi siya.
Yes, po, sir.
Tapos yung knowledge na itulong mo sa akin, na i-impart mo sa akin is yung mga typical pala na ginagawa nating lutuan. But unsafe.
Yes, hindi siya safe.
Yes. Ngayon, yung bagong cookware,
Saladmaster.
which is the Saladmaster, is meron pala siyang titanium na kung ano yung niluto, kailangan mo makakaluto ka na chef ng hindi ka gumagamit ng other oil
Yeah.
and water.
Yeah.
So yun, chef.
Mas healthy.
Yes, chef.
But will it boost our immune system?
Yes, chef.
It will protect our health.
Yes, chef.
And would you recommend this to your friends and family?
Absolutely, chef.
Thank you so much and congratulations.